So guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we are going to see how we can update Flutter to the new version. So in our installation guide video where we have installed Flutter in Mac, at that time Flutter version is 2.0.4, and if you check in the website of Flutter, then you have noticed that the version is now updated to 2.0.5. So how we can update it? It's just a simple step. You just have to run a single command, and let's get started. So what you have to do is just open your terminal and first run Flutter to just check all the things are completely installed. So as you can run Flutter, and you will notice that it shows a new version of Flutter is available. To update to the latest version, run Flutter upgrade. So we will do the same. Just write Flutter upgrade and enter. It will take time, and just give it 5 to 10 minutes depending on your internet connection. It says downloading Dart SDK from Flutter engine, blah blah blah, and it is downloading now. Just give 5-10 minutes to installing all the necessary component, and it will automatically install. Okay, so we have upgraded Flutter to the newest version now. To check Flutter has been upgraded to new version, just run Flutter dash version, and it will show Flutter 2.0.5. So just we have to run Flutter upgrade to upgrade Flutter to its new version. So if you found this video helpful, just like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you very much, guys.